Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the end of this video, you will be taught the difference between finished actions and unfinished actions. Completed actions equal to past simple tense. Whenever actions are completed, then we use past simple tense. Suppose now time is 1 p.m. Look at the examples. I had a meeting at 10 a.m. She drank fruit juice around 11:30 a.m. They spoke to the principal at 9 a.m. I hope these examples will make you understand the concept, right? Because now time is 1 p.m. So these three actions happened this morning actually, but time is 1 p.m. So these actions were completed in the past this morning. That's why we mention the time at 10 a.m., around 11:30 a.m., at 9 a.m. First you understand the time. Okay, time is 1 p.m. actually. I had a meeting at 10 a.m. this morning, but I don't have to mention this morning. If I use this morning, that becomes present perfect tense. So you mention the particular time, exact time. I had a meeting at 10 a.m. They spoke to the principal at 9 a.m. this morning, but don't say this morning. Mention the particular time. We will see some more examples. Here I have taken the same examples. Unfinished actions equals to present perfect tense. Suppose now time is 11 a.m. Look at the examples. I have had a meeting this morning because the time is 11 a.m. She has just drank fruit juice, which means this morning she has drunk a glass of fruit juice and afternoon she might drink another glass of juice. I have had a meeting this morning, which means there is possibility that to have another meeting this afternoon, right? Because these are all unfinished actions. Here we don't specify the particular time. Look at the time markers. This morning just. Look at the third example. Just now they have spoken to the principal, which means or they might have made a mistake and they got scoldings from the principal. So they were called to the principal, so they have spoken to the principal. I hope this is clear, right? They have spoken to the principal just now means maybe this afternoon they might want to talk to the principal again, or tomorrow they might want to talk, because these are unfinished actions. So they started in the past or recent past and still has effect in the present. So they show the impact in the present. I hope this is clear. We will see final two examples. These are all scenarios. In previous example, situation is suppose time is 1 p.m. Here time is 11 a.m. Find out the difference. By looking at examples, you will be able to understand the concept when to use past simple and present perfect tense. Another two scenarios. Suppose this is April month, and if I ask you what about March, and you can say it was a productive month because the month was completed, and in April month I am asking this question about March, so you have to say it was a productive month because now you are in April. Suppose this is April, this is the scenario, this is the situation. Suppose today is 20th April, now we are in April 20th, okay? And if I ask you about April month, you can say it has been a productive month because April month hasn't completed yet. So we still have 10 days left or 28 days left. So that's why you have to say it has been a productive month, which means for last 20 days You have been doing great things. You have been working hard. So look at the tenses. It was a productive month. It has been a productive month. If you want to find out the difference between tenses, you always try to compare. When you compare tenses, you will be able to find out the difference, how to use tenses. Finally, we are going to see one last scenario. Look at the scenario. Suppose today is Friday and I want to know about your last week, how you spent, and you can say last week was amazing. You utilized your time properly. So that's how you can say, because I'm asking about last week. You cannot say last week has been amazing in this scenario. Look at the second scenario. Suppose today is Friday, same situation, right? And we have already completed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? And if I ask you about this week, you can say this week has been amazing so far, which means you have completed 4 days in this week, and we still have 2 days left, right, towards Sunday. So you can say this week has been amazing so far. So last week is the time marker which we use to talk about in present, in past simple tense. This week means this is the time marker. This week, this month, this year, these time markers we use in present perfect tense. I hope this is clear. Thanks for watching.